Good morning, good afternoon or good evening, wherever in the world you might be watching. This video will demonstrate the creation of a lambda function using the IFS function as the basis. The data being used is a group of students with their marks in 3 subjects, and then the mark is averaged across the 3 subjects. They are then allocated a grade for their particular average mark using the formula here in the formula bar. The formula is then copied to the name manager and named average mark grading. Notice that the parameter being used is avmark because I want to be able to use the formula, the lambda formula, in any selection of cells. Therefore, I edit the cell reference to avmark in each case. Importantly, the lambda name average mark grading is then used in the formula bar to prove that the lambda result is the same as the initial IFS result. The trainer or teacher can then simply copy the student data and paste for semester 2 and then edit the marks as necessary, which in some cases will give a different average mark, but the grade, when we apply the average mark grading name, will pick up the new average mark and show a different grading. The benefits of using the name manager for this particular lambda function is that 1, it avoids the retyping of formulas, and 2, the marks themselves, the qualifying mark, can be edited, as can be the text for the grade. I hope you found this video useful, and remember to subscribe because I'll be uploading more examples of commonly used formulas which you can create in or as a lambda function to save lots of time in typing and get results fast. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now. And by the way, if you do subscribe, remember to click the bell to be automatically notified of upcoming videos.